Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 6 subjects math unit number 1 introduction of set topics exercise number 1.2. So student, you have to do question number 2, write the following set in the set builder form. So students, open your book page number 7 and also open your notebook. So student, at first you have here are some example data description notification tubular notification set builder notification. A set of a natural number less than a 6 can be written as description has been set of a natural number. Set builder form is written as a set a is equal to the bracket x ratio x even numbers natural has been less than none. So student, according to this description you have here write the set builder form in the ratio form and law. After that you have explain your statement like it's a natural number, it's a odd number, it's alphabet, so it's a word or it's a letter of mango like that. So student, according to this start the following set in set builder form. P is equal to A, B, C, D, continue and the last digit is Z. So student, you know that the ABC is the alphabet letters and letter of alphabet. So P is equal to letter of alphabet. According to this set builder notification, bracket is equal to x ratio x. That be a symbol or sign. You say that there is a symbol or sign of set builder form is a letter of English alphabet. You only write the statement after that x ratio x is a letter of English alphabet. Or this form is also be called a set builder form is a letter of English alphabet. This form is called the x ratio x or also known as a set builder form is a letter of English alphabet. Next is equal to Q. Q is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and continue. You know that 2, 4, 6 is an even number. That's a number is be dividable or come on the table or 2 and the remainder is to be a 0. So it's not but when you have only write x ratio x, you also be write y ratio y, p ratio p. Yours depend on your symbols. So student, you have been must be put the set builder sign between them. Then you write that is an even number because the 2, 4, 6, 8 is an even number that's become on the table of 2 and its remainder is a 0. Then is a r is equal to bracket 1, 3, 5, continue and 9. So student, I also be told that it should not be metadata for you to be used. You only we have a sign to a set builder notification. X ratio x or set builder form is an odd number. It's an odd number. Okay students, next is that T is equal to bracket January, Jan and July. So students, in this half T is equal to y ratio y. So we consider that you have to give A ratio A, B ratio B, C ratio D. But you have to put the sign of set builder form is the name of month beings with J. That's the name of the month start with J. That's we are written there. So student, it is a form of set builder form. You know what is a tabular form? Then when a member of elements to be explained like that, they explain all the members. When the member is to be explained in a brackets called a tabular form, and when you write a only statement in a brackets called a set builder form. So student, revise your lesson, complete your homework. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.